Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanics 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. I wrote a little something, and I want you guys to tell me what exactly do you think about this. It's called Respect Me. Let me make one thing clear. I don't care how important you think you are, what you have, who you know, the education you might or might not have, the connections that you got. It means absolutely nothing to me. The moment you make it clear through your actions that does not match your words, that I'm not important to you, you become unimportant to me. You become a stranger to me. I learned respect and loyalty is everything. If you can't see my value and my worth, then you have no place in my life. I don't waste my time on people who don't respect or value me. Respect is earned, it ain't given. I give people who respect to those who deserve it and see my value. My value was predestined before I was put in my mom's womb. And you do not make my value to whom I already am. You cannot make me complete. I already am before I ever met you. But the moment you show me that you don't value and respect me, then I don't care if I lose you. If you act like you don't care, respect, or value me, you lose my trust. People come and go. Easy come, easy go. For every one, there's 50 that will see my value and respect me. I don't have time for childish games, mind games. I'm at a higher level than you. You can't ever expect me to come to you. You have to come up to me. If you treat me always like you have no value and respect for me, you're done. That's simple. You respect me, I respect you. You loyal to me, I be loyal to you. Iron sharpens iron. I got your back. But the moment that you don't do any of those things, you're going to be way back. And I don't look in my rearview mirror. If you ever decide to walk away, I'll open the door for you. Kiss you bye-bye, slam the door behind you, and throw away the key. So if you're in my life, it's not a privilege. It is a privilege. Yeah, it is actually a privilege. It's not a right. You have to earn it. It is not a given. And you're not entitled to nothing unless I allow you to. I don't beg for attention. I don't beg for you to respect me. I don't beg for you to value me. I don't chase after no one. I focus on only those who matter. So hit that rewind button. Don't let it go over your head. And play it again and again. And then last but not least, you treated me like crap. I'm a beast. That motivates me like a beast. I'm going to be bigger. I'm going to be stronger. I'm going to be more motivated to be better than I ever was. So by the time you decide to come back to me, you don't even know who I am anymore. And I don't even want nothing to do with you. So sometimes I be thinking to myself, I hope people screw me over sometimes, because it makes me more motivated. It makes me more tenacious. It has a beast in me that I didn't even know was just sitting there waiting. I would put everything and anoint my table before all of my enemies. And with you messing me over, I put the tablecloth on the table. I put the plates, the forks, the spoons right before my enemies. Not because I'm trying to get back at you. I'm showing you you made a beast, and I thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow.